Get ready for a hair trend that's howling with style. The wolf cut is back, and it's here to stay. This iconic look, a fusion of the 70s shag and the early 2000s layers, is making a comeback, and it's got everyone talking. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it just a trendy throwback, or is there more to this cut than meets the eye? The wolf cut is a rebellious textured style with a unique edge. Imagine choppy layers that frame your face, creating a chaotic yet effortlessly cool vibe. It's a look that's been embraced by everyone from TikTok influencers to celebrity red carpets. And for good reason. It's messy, but in the most stylish way possible. But where did this trend originate, and how does it differ from its 70s predecessor? The wolf cut is a hybrid, drawing inspiration from the iconic 70s shag and the edgier 80s mullet. It's all about movement and texture, with a raw, undone feel that's perfect for those who want to experiment with their look. While the 70s shag is known for its soft, Stevie Nicks-inspired layers, the wolf cut takes a sharper approach. It features shorter layers at the crown, creating a more disconnected and modern silhouette. Both cuts embrace shorter layers with longer lengths at the nape, but the wolf cut adds an attitude that's hard to ignore. Who's rocking this look? Celebrities like Miley Cyrus, Billie Eilish, and Alexa Chung have all embraced the wolf cut, each putting their own unique spin on it. Cyrus adds a rock and roll edge, while Eilish and Chung keep it softer, but still maintain an air of mystery and attitude. The wolf cut is perfect for those with natural texture who want a rebellious look without going overboard. It requires confidence and a willingness to embrace an unstructured, messy style. To achieve this look, styling is key, but it should appear effortless. Twist your hair, rough dry it, or scrunch it with your hands to control the movement and keep it looking natural. Sea salt spray is your secret weapon for that imperfect, lived-in finish. Maintenance is crucial for this style. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks are essential to maintain the shape and texture. Once the layers start to grow out, the look will change dramatically. So staying on top of your appointments is key. Always prep your hair with the right products and try to air dry naturally whenever possible. To keep your wolf cut in tip-top condition, indulge in weekly deep conditioning treatments to strengthen and nourish your hair. So, are you ready to embrace the wolf cut? It's a style that's here to stay, and with its versatility and unique edge, it's easy to see why. But what do you think? Is this a trend you'd try? Or is it too much of a commitment? Let us know in the comments below.